tuan dan puan-puan, selamat mendarat lapangan terbang antarabangsa Senai. Untuk keselamatan anda diminta terus berada di tempat duduk sehingga pesawat ini berhenti sepenuhnya dan penggunaan telefon bimbit tidak dibenarkan sehingga tanda isyarat masyarakat tali pengancur atas anda dipadamkan. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyu di atas dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan semua barangan anda dibawa bersama. Kami rasa senang sepanjang perjalanan ini. Kita akan berjumpa lagi. Jika anda memerlukan sematan semasa ketibaan, sila berhubung dengan kaki tangan kami. Bagi pihak AirAsia, kami ucapkan terima kasih dan salam hormat. Ladies and gentlemen, we have safely landed at Senai International Airport. For safety, please remain seated until the aircraft comes to complete stop. The usage of our phones are not allowed until the fasten seatbelts and Wi-Fi has been switched off. Do take care when opening the compartments and before leaving this aircraft. Can you ensure that all luggage are with you? It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. For assistance upon arrival, kindly contact our guest service. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Davis, assisted by Senior First Officer Shafwan, Senior Cabin Crew Shalani, Cabin Crew Sheda, Jira and myself Clement would like to wish you a pleasant stay in JB. Good day, God bless and keep safe. Ladies and gentlemen, for your kind information, the disembarkation process will proceed every 3 rows with a short interval in between. Remaining passengers kindly be seated. Standing line is strictly prohibited. Our friendly cabin crew will be assisting you in the disembarkation process. Thank you, tuan-tuan. Untuk pertanyaan anda.